What's up, everybody? Welcome to Elevated Armory. Got another one here for you. This is the Ruger SP101. So let's see here. We got on the top, you got all your paperwork, double action revolver, instruction manuals, all this promotional material. We'll put all that back. And then this is chamber lock. And here is the Ruger SP101. This is chambered in 357, but this will also take 38 special. Let's get this box out of the way. Okay. Empty. Completely empty. Gun is safe. This is the Hogue rubber grip. The factory grip that it comes with is kind of a little rough on the hand. It kind of hurts a little bit from shooting it a lot. But the rubber grip definitely helps. I like the nice chrome finish on here. Oh, not chrome, I'm sorry. Stainless steel. Nice and shiny. It's nice and clean. It's the basic front sight. I was gonna change this at some point and kind of put the tritium sight, but I haven't gotten around to it yet. So here's this is my one and only revolver that I own. A little dirty, I gotta clean it. I don't know, I like it. I like shooting it. It's pretty accurate. But yeah, Ruger SP101. Nice little snub nose. I'm mixing some videos of me shooting this. It's always fun. This is good for, like, I mean, it could be good for an ankle carry, or sometimes I'll carry this as like a backup. But it is a little heavy. It's got some weight to it. It's definitely not like the air weight snub nose or anything like that. But I like it. I picked this up for, I think I paid $500 for this, which isn't bad. I'll leave a link in the description for this grip. I bought this grip on Amazon. I think it might have been 20 bucks. I don't really remember. But yeah, that's really the only change that I made to it. I kind of left everything else the way it is. Not much else to do. So if you like the video, hit that like button. Help me out a little bit. And of course, subscribe to the channel if you like what I'm doing. Leave a comment. Let's talk. And I'll catch you on the next one.